Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to fix custom text on mobile from Shopify store. So, if you're having problem with your custom text on your Shopify looking perfect on desktop but broken on mobile, don't worry. In this guide, I will show you how to fix the mobile text layout issues in just few easy steps. No coding needed. So, first of all, navigate to your Shopify admin dashboard. Here, click on the online store button. Now, navigate to themes and here you'll have to click on the customize button that you're going to see. Now, use the top drop down to select mobile view. Now, scroll to the section where the custom text is misaligned or not showing properly. Click on it to open the settings sidebar and check for the font size, alignment or padding or margin settings. If your theme supports mobile specific settings, adjust the font size and spacing. Reduce font size and padding to prevent text from overflowing. Also, you can try center aligning text for smaller screens. Now, if the settings doesn't work, simply go to your online store, navigate to themes, click on three-dot icon and click on edit code. Now, open the theme.css in the codes. So simply go to the search bar and type in theme.css, or you can also search for base.css. Type in base.css, click on it and add this code at the bottom. So scroll down at the bottom, place your cursor and paste this code that has been added to the description of this video. After you paste it, click on save and your problem will be fixed. You should also replace the custom class with the actual class of your text box. Now, save changes, go back to the mobile preview, refresh the page and check that your text now fits properly on mobile. And that's it. Your Shopify custom text should now look clean and professional on mobile. Like and subscribe for more quick Shopify fixes. I'll see you in the next one.